In this module, you are going to learn how to complete, modify and in error a nurse's note from a patient's record. Workflows are designed to make a particular part of your job role easier. In this case, the nurse handover workflow can help you view the patient's record information in a structured format, allowing you to document more at the same time. This workflow is designed for your end-of-shift documentation, but patient handover is done using nursing whiteboard view. This is an example of a nurse note. You can navigate through the workflow page using the scroll bar on the right, but an easier way is to click directly onto the item you want to view and document. We will be going through some of the views. From the workflow menu, select Problem List. Here you can see any existing problems. Click Documents to show any existing documents in the patient's record. From the workflow menu, select Nursing Handover. We're going to add a note regarding how the patient's night went and select Save. From the workflow menu, select Nurse Handover Note. When you have updated relevant sections of the workflow, you can create a handover document if needed. A nurse handover note must be completed at the end of each shift for each patient. This will become your end of shift documentation. Nurse handover note automatically pulls through certain information from the patient's record and a nurse handover workflow to the note. The rest of the details, like handover details, can be updated directly to the note. Select Sign and Submit. From type, we are going to select Nursing Handover Note and select Sign. Refresh your patient's record and select Documents. You can see that the document is now available to be viewed from the patient's record. Now we're going to modify the document. The easiest way to find an existing document is from in the workflow menu, select Documents, click on the existing note, which will then launch it on the right hand side where you can see the content of the note. Select Modify. Revise a note allows you to make changes to the note. Addend note allows you to add additional information to the bottom of the note but not change the original information. We are going to select Revise Note, click OK. The note opens in the original layout. You can make any changes as needed. Once those changes have been made, select Sign. However, we are going to just select Cancel because we are not going to be making any changes in this note. To in error notes, select the blue menu, scroll down and select Structured Notes. Double click Nursing Handover Note. You can in error a document two ways. You can either right click in the note and select in error, or from the toolbar you can select the in error icon. We are going to be in error in our note from selecting the icon at the top. Select in error. Add a comment for why you are in error in this document. Note, only documents created by the logged in user can be marked as in error. The document will stay in your patient's record, but will have the in error report to alert you that this document is in error.